everyone, welcome to my channel Masakan Ibu Dewi. Before we continue to my video, please click like, subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below. Hi guys, how are you today? Hope you always feel healthy, especially in this pandemic. For today, I would like to introduce you my recipe, Leah and Perrins chicken with cashew nut, quail egg, and raisin. So let's check out the ingredients. So here are my ingredients: 1 chicken breast cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 3 tablespoons Leah and Perrins, 1 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1 large onion, 8 dry chilies, 30 gram raisin, 100 gram cashew nut, and quail egg. We combine chicken breast with corn flour, mixed it, add in salt and pepper, add in Leah and Perrins, add in a tomato sauce, mix well, and set aside for 1 hour. Meanwhile, we'll boil quail egg. Heat up oil. Fry cashew nut and raisins about 25 seconds. And fry dry chili until crispy and leave aside. Heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a pan and saute onion until fragrant. And then add in the chicken. Stir fry chicken for 2 or 3 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Once the chicken is already cooked, we add in quail egg. Leave it for another 30 seconds. and we add in dry chili, cashew nut and raisins. Serve in hot and garnish with spring onion. So this is my recipe for today, and Perrins chicken with cashew nut, quail egg and raisins. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it, and if you like it, please click subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.